Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise 13.1 question number 6. In a model of a ship, the mast is 9 cm high, while the mast of the actual ship is 12 meter high. If the length of the ship is 28 meter, how long is the model ship? Let us find out. Here we have made a table, like this is model ship in centimeter and actual ship in meter. This is height of mast and this is length of ship. It is given that when the model ship is 9 centimeter, when the model ship is 9 centimeter, then the length of actual ship is 12 meter. Length of actual ship is 12 meter. And if the length of the ship is 28 meter, length of the actual ship is 28 meter. 28 meter. How long is the model ship? Let the length of the model ship be x. Let the length of the model ship be x. Now we see in this question that the dimension of the actual ship and the model ship are directly proportional to each other. Right? Here you see that the model ship and the actual ship and the model ship and the actual ship and the actual model ship and the actual ship and the actual ship are directly proportional are directly directly proportional to each other are directly proportional to each other directly proportional directly proportional directly proportional to each other right, they are directly proportional to each other. That means if the length of model ship if the height of the mast increases, then the length of the ship will increase. That means they are in direct proportion, right? Therefore you can write 12 by 9 12 by 9 is equal to 28 by x 28 by x, or we'll find the value of x as x is equal to 9 into 28 divided by 12 divided by 12. 3 4 is 12, 3 3 is 9, and 4 is 4, 4 7 is 28, or 3 7 is 21. 21, that is in centimeter. Therefore the value of x is equal to 21 centimeter. 21 centimeter. How long is the model ship? Therefore we can say that the length of the model ship is 21 centimeter. Therefore the length of the model ship, therefore the length of the model ship length of the model ship is 21 centimeter. 21 centimeter, and that is the answer. Right, dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.